My name is Sarah and this is my story. My experience of inequality, I suppose, comes back to being a child of a single mum. You know, children who are from single parent families are, like myself, normally living on very small means. My mother tried her best to work, but quite often childcare would cost more than she could earn. And that's the same for me. I lost my job when I had my first child. Many people think that that's illegal, but it happens to 54,000 women every year, and that's before coronavirus and the issues that have come up for parents here. I think that the big difference that this duty could make is it will really support decision makers to understand the impact that their decisions have on a wide range of people, whether that be ethnic minority people, disabled people, people who are living in rural areas or areas where they don't have as much money or access to things like public transport. You know, there are so many factors that come into this, and I think if they are supported in making those decisions, then life could be so much better for everyone here in Wales. When people are making decisions about Wales, decisions that really matter, I want them to think about people like me.